At the center of almost every desktop computer is a large electronic board called the motherboard. It physically connects nearly every major internal component, including the processor, memory, storage, graphics card, and power supply. These connections allow electrical signals, instructions, and information to move between the components so the computer can function as one complete system. The CPU socket is the specially designed location on the motherboard where the computer's processor is securely installed and connected. It holds the processor securely in the correct position, preventing it from shifting or moving while the computer is running. The socket's electrical contacts allow the processor to receive power and communicate with the memory, storage, graphics hardware, and other parts of the computer. Beside the processor are long connectors called RAM slots, which securely hold the computer's memory modules and allow them to communicate with the processor. Each memory module must be aligned in the correct direction and pressed firmly into the slot until the locking clips securely snap into place. RAM temporarily stores the programs and information currently being used, giving the processor much faster access than permanent storage can provide. Now, let's go to PCI Express, or PCIe slots, are expansion connectors that allow additional hardware to be installed on the motherboard. The longest PCIe slot is commonly used for a graphics card, which processes images, videos, games, and other visual information. Other PCIe slots can support Wi-Fi adapters, sound cards, capture cards, storage controllers, and many other high-speed expansion devices. Let's go to storage connectors. Modern motherboards often include M.2 connectors for compact and extremely fast NVMe solid-state drives. SATA connectors are commonly used to connect traditional hard drives, larger solid-state drives, and optical disk drives directly to the motherboard. These connectors allow storage devices to provide the operating system, applications, personal files, videos, music, and other information used by the computer. Power connectors. The large 24-pin power connector supplies the motherboard with most of the electricity needed to operate its circuits and connected components. A separate CPU power connector delivers additional electricity directly to the processor, allowing it to remain stable while performing demanding calculations. The motherboard carefully distributes this power to the processor, memory, expansion cards, cooling systems, controllers, and other connected hardware. The chipset is a specialized controller built into the motherboard that helps organize and manage communication between the computer's most important components. It helps direct information between the processor, storage devices, USB connections, expansion hardware, and other motherboard systems. By coordinating these connections, the chipset helps the computer's different components work together efficiently and reliably. The BIOS, or UEFI, is permanent firmware stored on a small chip attached directly to the motherboard. When the computer is turned on, this firmware checks and initializes the processor, memory, storage, graphics hardware, and connected devices. After confirming that the essential hardware is working, it locates the operating system and begins the computer's startup process. USB controllers. This allows the computer to connect with accessories such as keyboards, mice, cameras, printers, storage drives, and mobile devices. The USB controller receives signals from these devices, processes their information, and sends it to the correct part of the computer. USB connections can transfer information in both directions, while also supplying electricity to power or charge compatible devices. Audio controllers. The motherboard's audio connections allow microphones, headphones, speakers, and other sound equipment to communicate with the computer. The audio controller converts incoming sound into digital information that programs can record, process, store, or transmit. It also converts digital audio from games, videos, music, and applications into signals that headphones and speakers can reproduce as sound. Every section of the motherboard performs a different task, but none of these sections operates completely on its own. The motherboard connects these systems, supplies communication pathways, distributes electricity, and coordinates the movement of information. By bringing every component together, the motherboard becomes the central foundation that allows the entire computer to operate as one complete system.